everybody, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. For today's video, I'm going to be talking all about one of my new favorite subscription services, and that is Scentbox. So if you are a broke college student like me who loves perfumes, be sure to stick around and watch this video. And without further ado, let's get started. Like I said, I will be talking all about a subscription service called Scentbox, and if you guys are interested in trying out Scentbox, I actually have a 35% off coupon for you guys that I will leave down below, as well as the link to get to Scentbox. The coupon code is just Scent35. So rather than getting your first month subscription for $14.95, the coupon code will allow you to get your first month subscription for $9.72. For those of you who have never heard of Scentbox, it is a subscription service, like I have said multiple times before, all related to scents as the name suggests. With this subscription service, you get to go on every month and pick out a new scent, and they will send you a 30-day supply. In terms of scents, they have over 850 different ones to choose from, and the 30-day supply consists of 125 sprays, which is 8 milliliters or 0.27 ounces. What's also great is that once a month you get a free exchange, so if you end up not liking the first scent that you picked out, you can go ahead and swap it out. You are, however, only allowed to do that once a month, and if you subscribe to Scentbox and decide you don't really like the subscription service, you can go ahead and cancel at any time. Now that I've told you all a little bit about the subscription service itself, I'm going to go ahead and talk about the scent that I got and why I love Scentbox so much. So first off, this is how you get your scent each month. It does come in a box, hence Scentbox. And then this is what it looks like when you open it. You do get a new atomizer every month. This month, since it is December, is just a red one and it has a present on them. And this is just what it looks like. To use it, you just simply twist it up and then you go ahead and spray it. Oh. The scent that I picked out was Juicy Couture Viva La Juicy Noir. I have tried the regular Viva La Juicy one, so I figured I would try the Noir one to see if I like it, and I definitely do. It is definitely a little more muskier, and in my opinion, I think this is more of a night perfume when you are going out, and then just the regular Viva La Juicy is great for the daytime. You can also go ahead and switch around these if you have a bunch, because the perfume vial itself easily comes out, and as you guys can see, you do get a really generous amount. I don't think there's ever been an entire month where I've gone through an entire one of these. What's also really nice about these is that you can throw them in your purse or your bag and you don't have to worry about it leaking, because when it's in the tube, the only way you can use it is if you twist up, and the chances of it being twisted up on its own are pretty slim to none. So you can throw this in your bag, take it with you, and freshen up whenever you need to. And these make great gifts. If you are looking for a gift to give someone for their birthday or Christmas or any other occasion, a scent subscription is perfect. It allows them to pick out what perfumes they want, and it also allows them to try out a ton of different ones. And as a college student, I do not have a lot of extra money lying around, like most college students. So being able to pay a monthly subscription fee that is less than $15, where I get a new perfume each month, is great. It allows me to try out a ton of different scents while still doing it on a budget. So that is a little bit about Scentbox. I absolutely love it. I think it is a great subscription service. They carry all of my favorite scents. It's affordable, and the best part is that if you end up not liking the scent that you get that month, you can go ahead and return it for free. If you guys are a subscriber of Scentbox and you like it just as much as I do, be sure to let me know in the comments down below. While you guys are down there, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I upload 2 to 3 new videos a week and would love it if you'd become part of the Allie Pack Squad. I hope you guys liked this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys!